Over the past few weeks, we've watched the same story unfold over and over again. Some cloud-based software company reports a fantastic quarter, only to see its high-flying stock get slammed in response. It happened to Splunk, happened to Workday, happened to Salesforce. It also happened to Veeva Systems, the maker of cloud-based software for the life sciences industry. They help pharmaceutical companies capture clinical trial data and comply with government regulations while also making their sales reps more effective. Now, Veeva's been an incredible long-term performer. We've been behind it forever. Stock has nearly tripled over the past 2 years alone. But on February 26th, the company reported a spectacular quarter, a massive top and bottom line beat with amazing guidance. And while the stock initially bounced in after-hours trading, it quickly sold off the next day, only closing down 2.9%. Since then, Veeva's rebounded a bit, although it's still trading below where it was before the terrific quarter, as investors have grown more cautious about these high-flying cloud stocks. On the other hand, man, you're getting an awesome quarter for free, and I think this could be an excellent buying opportunity. Do not take it from me. Let's check in with Peter Gassner. He's the founder and CEO of Veeva Systems. Get a better sense of how this amazing company's doing and where it's headed. Mr. Gassner, welcome back to Mad Money.
Thanks, Jim. Thanks for having me.
All right, Peter, I love success stories. You know, I don't know, I probably remember more than you, but 5 years ago, you came on and you talked about something called Veeva Vault. And I'm like thinking, all right, well, what does this mean? Talk about what has happened to Veeva Vault in the 5 years since you've been on.
Yeah, it's been a great success story, Jim, for Veeva, our employees, and our customers. You know, now it's grown from 5% to almost 50% of our revenue. And if you look at it, it's customers, they want a common set of applications that deal with all the things they're doing, all on a consistent platform, all in the cloud. And then we just built the business through the customer success, you know, one customer, one application at a time. And if you work hard at things, Jim, for 5 years, you can produce some good results.
Well, we had Andy Jassy on recently. He's for cloud, for Amazon Web. And he told us, look, the secret is to have the customer pay less and less and less. You are saving the system. I have to believe that when you bring in Veeva, you are saving the system money.
Oh, yeah. I do believe that, Jim. At an individual customer level, yes. But also, if you look at the industry overall, which we're so proud to be a part of, you know, our customers are doing important things. They're making medicines to help people live better lives and to save their lives. We're actually increasing the efficiency of that overall $1.7 trillion business, you know, by delivering them cloud software that really helps them be more efficient. So, you know, we're doing our part to help get the right medicines to the patients that need them, and we're making the overall system more efficient. So I'm really proud of the Veeva team and what we're accomplishing.
Okay, in your deck, I have this is from 2012 versus 2017, top 10 life sciences. I think it's another way to look about what you've accomplished. We've had almost every single one of the companies that were ahead of you. You were number 9 in spend in 2012. You've leapfrogged over everybody 2017, which makes me wonder, what are you going to do now? What's an encore, particularly because you already have $1 billion in sales and you say the total addressable market's only $9 billion?
Well, that's true, right? This year we'll reach $1 billion, over $1 billion in sales, and that's, you know, a year ahead of our target. So we're really, really happy with that success. But we're in the very early days of this industry cloud for life sciences. Yes, our total addressable market is over $9 billion, but we keep adding new products all the time. So I'm really optimistic about our future, Jim, especially since medicine is undergoing a real revolution here, moving towards precision medicine, using cell therapy, gene therapy to really target what's wrong with an individual person and fix that. That's a long-term revolution in medicine that our customers are just starting on, and we're really looking forward to helping them through that. So it's early days for Veeva.
Well, you know, we have Dr. Topol on today, and he wrote a great book called Deep Medicine, How Artificial Intelligence Can Make Healthcare Human Again. The artificial intelligence component, a lot of it is compiled by Veeva, correct?
It is, Jim. We're the brains behind a lot of that stuff. You're right.
Well, I mean, when I look at what you're doing and I look at biotech, okay, would you be able to tell me that all of the biotechs, or the great number of biotechs that you work with, are all more valuable than the stock market says? Because one by one, we see these companies that are your clients get bids for 100% more than what the stock's selling for.
Yeah, I would say some of our biotech customers are incredibly well positioned. You saw the recent acquisition by Spark Therapeutics, right, which was a biotech acquired by a large pharmaceutical company, Roche. And that just shows, see, Spark was in this precision medicine area where they're actually fixing a person's genes, a very targeted therapy, in their case, to fix a hereditary blindness, never been able to be done before. So there's a premium on innovation and real cutting-edge science, Jim, because we're at a revolution point that's just starting in medicine, and that's what's causing these acquisitions. And we're so happy to be working not only with the large pharmaceutical companies, but the small biotechs like Spark Therapeutics and Bluebird Bio that are just doing amazing new things.
Oh, one last question. We did this piece about the Mark Benioff tree, that there's so many companies that came and people came from Salesforce. Are you ever worried that Salesforce is going to come back at you and decide that they want to be in your vertical?
Well, I focus on our employees and our customers, so not really worried about that, but certainly learned a lot from Mark in the early days of Salesforce.com, as well as, other areas, other stops in my career, IBM and PeopleSoft, and also my father in the machine shop when I was a young guy, Jim. He really taught me a lot too. So, no, not we have a great partnership with Salesforce.com and really grateful for that.
All right, let's leave it there. Another great quarter, and I got to tell you, the fact that the stock didn't go all-time high after that quarter makes no sense to me. That was Peter Gassner. He's founder and CEO of Veeva Systems. They own this market, people. They own it. Stay with Cramer. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.